folks, what am I doing today? I am destroying cast iron frying pans. Pretty much no name junk ones. Yeah, they're all cracked. Every one of them is a crack. Especially since I dropped them on a motorcycle. They're all no-name jobs. Pretty sure they're worth money. This one's pretty thick. This one's a nice one actually, but you know what? Chopping it, so no whatever. So yeah, this one's a really nice one. It's got a really smooth surface. I'm gonna butcher it. So stay with me. I'm cutting cast iron. Let me move my camera over here. Someplace you can see. There you go. I just realized something. A leather apron would be pretty good. I'll be right back. We're back. Time to chop. See if we can move this over. This down a little. There we go. So put that down there. Next victim. Let's see. A little better job here. This one. Stand straight. That's a straight line. Eyeball it. Just gonna eyeball the whole thing. Yeah, let's see. Doesn't be a tough one. Ta-da. pause this for a second. It's got a nice logo on it. There we go. That's cut. Not really sure what kind of blade this has on it, but I cut all that with this one blade. So proves if you don't force it and let the blade do the work, you don't tear off as much. So I still got some juicy juice on here, and I think those were the cheap blades I bought for 99 cents. Who knows? I don't buy expensive ones anymore. I only buy them on sale. So stay tuned, I'll show you the rest. Hold on. Forgot to take my silly hat off. It's not silly, you don't lose an eye. I got this sloppy square one. What else? Round one. This one I'm gonna square off. Another round one. And 3 big ones. I love destroying cast iron. I know people are going to complain. What are you going to use that for? Spatulas are supposed to be thin. It's paper. Spatulas can be whatever you want it to be. So, this is poorly cut piece of cast iron. But you know what? I'm going to straighten it out and grind it off. And it's going to be fun. And in a few minutes, I'll show you the end result. So, thanks for watching and stay tuned. Hello folks, it's me again. I'm just going to do some grinding. Hello folks, that there that you seen me do on the grinder is just me roughing out the edges, and I'm going to take a small, what do you call it, kind of like angle grinder, I guess angle grinder with a little grinding disc on it, and I'm going to do the surfaces with that. Comes out much better. So thanks for watching, and keep watching. I'm going to show you the finished product because I'm not going to bore you with the rest of this stuff. So stay tuned and keep watching. Hello folks, so if you're following my video of me making these things, you'll know that I made this many. They came out actually pretty good if that dog would stop barking. There's a little short one I made. There's a little Taiwanese job. This is a no-name chopper. This one is a Smarts Brockville number 3. Paint scraper. Yep. This is a Le Creuset. This one actually came out pretty good, believe it or not. I'm surprised that the porcelain didn't rip right off. This one is a Findlay Carlton Place, Ontario, number 5. That one came out actually pretty good. I didn't draw the line straight. I didn't do it perfect. I just did it by under Findlay Carlton Place, number 8. I didn't surgically measure anything. I just went zip, and it looked good, and looks good to me. Hey, that's what makes it unique. Cool. So yeah, I decided to make a few more. A couple of people asked me to make some, so I figured why not? I'll make some more. So anyway, watch this fall on the floor and chop my finger off from my toe. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me how you like me destroying cast iron pans. It was fun to do, and I'm definitely going to do some more. Thanks for watching.